Hello, my name is Aaron O'Brien. I'm the creator of CBI, the comic book inventory application for Android. CBI is a great way to organize your collection of comics, and there are so many cool features in CBI. I don't have time to go through them all in one tutorial, so tonight I'm going to show you how to add comic books in your collection really fast. Okay, so we're going to click on the icon to start the application. This is my very plain normal desktop. So here we go. This is the welcome screen. Okay, you see this screen when you do a first install, and you see whenever you get a new version. So in this area right here, I'm just letting you know what is new with this release. Let me scroll down. And at the very bottom, you'll see my contact information. And please, feel free to send me an email. I'm always happy to talk to people about CBI. The first time you run CBI, it sees that you don't have any titles loaded. So you tap on Show Me. And what this is doing is this is setting up your Android phone to communicate with the servers. Okay, that's one way to get into it, but after you load one set of titles, then you need to come back in. You may need to load another one. So this is how you do it. Click on DC, hit preload, and when you preload, it really does take a little while, especially for Marvel and DC where they have so many titles. So we're going to hit OK. Background service is going to run, and I think it takes on the emulator several minutes to run. And you can see in the top left icon that that little notification that tells you that the process is done right there. So then we're going to tab down and slide that down, and there you go. Titles for DC are preloaded. So 2053 titles. Performance will vary depending on different phones, but you can expect it to take a little while. Probably a couple minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to add new comic books. We're going to go in and we're going to use that information that we just preloaded, and we're going to be communicating with the backend server, and it's going to pull down all kinds of information for us. So we're going to load up my Wonder Woman collection. So we're going to start with issue number 1 and issue number 17. This is the first part of my series. And when we do that, when we hit create series, what happens is we're going to go out to the server and we're going to say, tell me about Wonder Woman number 1. How many volumes are out there for that? And it's going to come back and there's 3, right? Well, we're working on the 1987 volume. A lot of information is being transferred back and forth. But what you're getting is you're getting the title, the publisher, the author, the penciler, the colorist, the inker. All that information is coming back from the servers and being saved into your database. Alright, so we're just about done. That's going to go away. Okay, so that was successful. Now the next part of my collection, it goes from starting number 58 to 106. So we're going to type in 58 and 106. We're going to dismiss the keyboard and we're going to hit create series. Now, same process happens. It's going to go out and it's going to ask the servers, what are the volumes for issues number 58? And there's 2. So we select 1987 and it goes off. And I put it in fast forward this mode this time because, there's 49 issues and that will take a little while just to sit and watch. Alright, so that's finishing up. So now let's go take a look and see what happened. So let's back out. So now we're on our main screen. We're going to go in and browse our collection. Okay, this is the backup warning. Okay, we added over 50 items, so it's just telling us that we need to back up. So we'll say no thanks for now. And we're going to go in and we're going to look at all the authors that we just pulled down. Now, prior to this, it was empty. We had no authors added. Okay, so these are all of the authors that were added. And here's William Mesner Loebs. Step back. Let's go take a look at the pencilers real quick. So there's George Perez, who really started the 1987 series. I think he did the first 50 issues or so, but I only have 17 of them. Okay, and then our inkers and the colorists. So let's go in and take a look at our titles. We want to add some cover images. We added all of those, the second set of series, but I was actually missing issue number 88. So we're going to run down there, and we're going to delete that issue, because I don't have it. So you do a long press on it, the option pops up, we hit delete issue. Yep, we want to delete it. Okay, now we want to add a cover to an issue. The quickest way to do that is with the new feature of CBI. So we're going to scroll down to issue number 93. Oh, there it went. Let's go back a little bit far. And there it is right there. So we're just going to tap on it to edit the image, to edit the issue. Okay, so we're going to tap on GCD. We're going to tap on Visit GCD, and it's going to take us right to Wonder Woman issue number 93. Now, Wonder Woman has 2 volumes, and both of them have an issue 93, so GCD doesn't know what to do. So it gives you the choice, which one do we want? We want the 1987 series. Okay, so we tap on 93, and it's going to pull up Wonder Woman issue number 93. Okay, let's scroll down just a little bit. We're going to tap on the large version of the image so we get the higher resolution for our covers. And when the image pops up, we're going to do a long press on it. So you're going to long press, you just tap and hold it, and you're going to see a menu pop up. And we'll scroll down to save image, and then the image is going to download. Pretty simple. So once it's downloaded, all you do is you tap on the image, and it asks you what you want to do. You want to open it. And there's a lot of ways you can do this. There's mini file. We want to tap on CBI. Astro File Manager is another way to do this. We're going to type in Wonder Woman, issue number 93. And we're going to tap attach. Okay, let's go back to CBI and see what happens. So like I was saying, any file manager program that can view images will provide that functionality to call CBI that way. So we're going to tap on 93, and there's the image right there. Step back, we'll do a long press on it, do the view images. Okay, if you long press on the image, you get a quick information is one of our options. So that tells us the information about it, so you don't have to go and edit it off your time. And going back in, we're going to view images, and this is my favorite feature of CBI. You do a long press on it and hit set wallpaper. And it's literally going to go through and tear the image apart and resize it so it fits perfectly on your phone. Alright, so we're done. Let's back out all the way, and let's take a look and see what we can see. And there you go. How cool is that? We download images from the internet, we attach it to an issue, we set that image as our wallpaper. That is some pretty cool functionality. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll talk to you guys later.